How to install Verizon Fios Wi-Fi extender. First of all, connect your extender to a coaxial outlet and plug it into power. Make sure it is in an area near your Verizon Fios router so it can establish a strong initial connection. After that, wait about 10 minutes for the setup to complete. The light on the extender will turn solid white, showing it is successfully connected. Next, move the extender to a spot between your router and a room with weak Wi-Fi. Plug it in and wait a few minutes. The light should turn solid white again, confirming the extender is working properly. If the light blinks yellow, it means the extender is too far from the router, so you may need to adjust its position. Remember to keep the extender upright for the best performance. It will automatically use the same Wi-Fi name and password as your router, so all your devices will stay connected without extra setup. Also, make sure your router and extender are using the same connection type, either coaxial or Ethernet, for a smooth installation. So this is how to install Verizon Fios Wi-Fi extender. Like and subscribe if this helped.